Members, we will move to item 94. Item 94, SR 98. Secretary, please read.
Senate Resolution 98 by Senator Wiener relative to heat pump week in California.
Senator Wiener, you are recognized.
Thank you very much. Mr. President, colleagues, I rise to present SR 98, which recognizes the week of April 11th as Heat Pump Week in California. Heat pumps are highly efficient, all-electric HVAC and water heater appliances, roughly 3 times more efficient than gas appliances. Thanks to their high efficiency, many Californians can save on their energy bills by switching to a heat pump. And this is a technology that benefits everyone in cities, in rural areas and suburban areas. So many people can benefit and lower their energy bills. Heat pumps are also zero emission, improving air quality and reducing 25% of carbon emissions associated with our built environment. If you replace your furnace with a heat pump, you gain air conditioning as well, which we know is critically important to many Californians as temperatures continue to rise. Research has shown that building decarbonization is the most cost-effective way for us to reach our climate goals. For these reasons, California has set a goal of installing 6 million heat pumps by 2030. Heat Pump Week helps engage and educate Californians with over 100 events taking place across the state, hosted by contractors, manufacturers, local governments, and everyday Californians to encourage communities to electrify their homes and buildings. I respectfully ask for an aye vote.
Thank you, Senator. And seeing no further discussion or debate, Secretary, please call roll.
Allen. Aye. Alvarado Gil. Archuleta. Aye. Aregin. Aye. Ashby. Aye. Becker. Aye. Blakespear. Aye. Cabalden. Aye. Caballero. Aye. Cervantes. Aye. Choi. Cortese. Aye. Daly. Durazo. Gonzalez. Aye. Grayson. Aye. Grove. Hurtado. Aye. Jones. No. Laird. Aye. Limon. Aye. McGuire. Aye. McNerney. Aye. Menjivar. Nilo. Ochoa-Bogue. Padilla. Perez. Reyes. Perez, aye. Reyes, aye. Richardson. Aye. Rubio. Aye. Sayarto. Smallwood Cuevas. Aye. Stern. Aye. Strickland. No. Umberg. Aye. Valadares. Wahab. Aye. Weber Pearson. Aye. Wiener. Aye.
Secretary, please call absent members.
Alvarado Gil. Choi. No. Daly. No. Durazo. Aye. Grove. Menjivar. Is it Grove now? Nilo. Ochoa-Bogue. Padilla. Aye. Sayarto. Valadares. Grove, no.
Ayes 29, noes 5. The resolution is adopted.